Today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on me down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on your name here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, just click here on log out here. When you just click on it, so then here automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your app. So that's all you have to do to log out of your account. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.